Hi, my name is Mohammad NAVEED UDDIN. I have completed my graduation in Computer Science Engineering from the ISL Engineering College in the stream of Computer Science Engineering. After the completion of my graduation, I have joined the Jspiders for a Java full stack course. In that, my trainer was the Java for Java trainers. My trainer was Kaushik sir, Pawan sir, and Manjuna sir. For web technologies, my trainer was Reshma ma'am, and for skill trainer, my trainer was Karishma ma'am, and for Advanced Java and Spring Boot was Ravi sir. In that, after the completion of course, I have attended the number of interviews. For interviews, they have before the interviews they used to conduct grooming sessions, which helps us to crack the interviews, and they also say the previously asked questions in companies, and also mostly ask companies in mostly ask questions in the companies, which helps us to crack the companies. Thank you.